Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'll show you how to use ChatGPT Voice in separate mode. First, open ChatGPT on your phone. Tap the voice icon here to start voice mode. When it starts, you'll see a full screen of voice mode on your device. The screen is simplified, you don't see full text chats, and you interact mostly by speaking. Just speak naturally and ChatGPT will respond out loud and continue the conversation in real time. Let me let ChatGPT say something. As you can see, you can interrupt ChatGPT while it's speaking. You can ask different questions, and to exit voice mode, simply tap the cross icon. After this, you'll see your chat history with ChatGPT. That's it. Thank you so much for watching. Leave a like and subscribe for more content, and see you in the next one.